SpaceX rocket is on a crash course to hit the moon this week. On August 5th, a 4-ton SpaceX Falcon 9 component will slam into the lunar surface at roughly 5,400 miles per hour, carving out a crater and kicking up dust. In January 2025, the Falcon 9 upper stage delivered the Blue Ghost 1 built by Texas-based Firefly Aerospace and the Resilience lander from Japan. After its job, the 8,800-pound booster entered orbital limbo. Gravitational forces locked it onto a collision course with the moon's near side, close to the ancient Einstein crater. For planetary scientists, a rocket colliding with the moon is a rare gift. William Joe, a graduate student at the University of Texas, led a modeling study mapping blast dynamics. His calculations show the collision will unleash an ejecta spike stretching between 47 and 60 miles high. Benjamin Fernando estimates a crater roughly 66 to 98 feet wide. Will the collision be visible from Earth? The answer is maybe. Our calculations suggest the plume should be several orders of magnitude brighter than the dark sky background for the first few minutes after impact, Joe explained to Space.com. So the plume should be visible, though I'd stress this is a single nominal case. The real one will look different, and the numbers are on the optimistic side. Fernando's team concluded the impact will be potentially observable through professional observatories. It will probably be at least worth taking a look, said study co-author Bill Gray. Maybe we'll see the flash, maybe we'll see rocks ejected from the crater, maybe we'll even see both. Researchers emphasize the true value lies in scientific data. Objects striking the moon offer real-world tests for physics models simulating impacts. Understanding lunar dust behavior is essential for safe landing sites and predicting hazards for astronauts. Watching this one gives us a rare chance to open up ejecta plume science and calibrate those models against a real event, which matters for every future thing we deliver to the moon, Joe emphasized. The incident also highlights space junk concerns. Gray notes it reflects growing carelessness about how leftover space hardware is disposed of.